Hi, this is Albert from RadioMast, and I'm going to give you a quick 2-minute crash course on the new broadcast processor in Rocket Broadcaster Pro 1.4. The new broadcast processor will improve the audio quality of your stream, giving it consistent loudness, lifting detail and presence, and making it more comfortable to listen to. The very first thing you need to know is that the new broadcast processor is on by default, so you're going to get the benefits of it just by upgrading. To access the broadcast processor, in the menu at the top, click Broadcast, Audio Effects, and then choose Broadcast Processor. The next thing to know is that we've included a number of presets that will change how your stream sounds. We think most broadcasters will want to stick with the default, but try them all out and see which sounds best on your stream. If you hover over the preset name and scroll with your mouse, it'll flip through all the presets. Before you do that, you're going to want to enable Monitor Master Output so that you can hear the processed audio immediately on your PC and preview what your stream is going to sound like. Next, let's talk about the automatic gain control and loudness metering. To measure the loudness of your stream, the broadcast processor uses the modern loudness metering standard, which is BS 1770. This is combined with our automatic gain control, or AGC, which will fix and manage the loudness of your stream. Most of the presets we've included have the AGC set to target -14 LUFS, which is the same loudness level that Spotify and YouTube play back at on most devices. This is how loud you'll want your stream to be, and the broadcast processor is going to take care of that for you. So in our last 30 seconds, how does it work? The broadcast processor starts with the AGC and a noise gate to control the loudness level of your signal. That then feeds into the multiband compressor, which controls the dynamics and peaks, and is a very powerful tool for shaping the sound of your broadcast. Lastly, that feeds into a peak limiter, which helps prevent clipping before the audio gets encoded for streaming. This wraps up our crash course on the new broadcast processor in Rocket Broadcaster Pro 1.4. Play around with the presets, tinker with the multiband compressor, and let us know what you think. Drop a comment below or send us an email. Thanks for watching.